Vilina me ke aloha, aloha nui kākou e nā ohana. Mai kahi pai a kahi pai, mahalo keia hui ho ana o kākou I keia lā. O waho keia o Alika, and I will be taking care of you again for this particular hui ki pai pai, the Haʻawina ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi o keia pule. No leila, I hope everyone's doing well. Mahalo nui keia hui ho ana. We're going to ho'omau with our Haʻawina ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi and continue our journey of learning ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi together as a ohana via our Hui Ki Pai Pai program. And we're glad to have you. E ho'omaka kākou. Oia, nā pahu hopu o keia lā. The goals for this particular papa is to helu e kahi, number one, e nā ana I ka Pepeke Henua. Now, we've been covering the Pepeke Henua in the previous week, so we're going to review again one more time. Yeah, the Pepeke Henua, which is the sentence structure that tells us where things are located, either in space or time. Okay, so we're going to na'ana I ke la. We're going to review that. Helu e lua, e a'u I nā iʻoa henua, nā iʻoa henua. Okay, we're going to learn about the iʻoa henua and what its function is and what it does and how it works. Helu e kolu, e ho'oma'ama'a I ka Pepeke Henua, me nā iʻoa henua. Okay, so we're going to combine the iʻoa henua into the Pepeke Henua and insert them so that we can practice the iʻoa henua into the Pepeke Henua structure. Okay, and the last goal for this papa is helu e ha, e ho'oma'ama'a I nā hua ʻōlelo o ka lumi kuke. And so as we're reviewing the Pepeke Henua, learning about the iʻoa henua, we're also going to use the words, the vocabulary list from the lumi kuke to put all of them together. Okay? No leila, e ho'omaka kākou. Oh yeah, no leila, the first example to review is aya ke kumu malahaina. Okay, so one thing about the Pepeke Henua is that it'll always begin with the word aya. Whether you're reading or you're listening to someone speaking, as soon as you hear the word aya, you know that we're talking about a location of something in space or time. Okay, so what is the thing that we're talking about? That's always going to follow aya. So in this case, it's kekumu. So we're talking about kekumu. Now, what is kekumu? You guys remember? Polole, teacher, the teacher. Okay. Next comes the location. Where? Where is this teacher? Tell me where. I want to know. Well, this particular kumu is in Malahaina. Malahaina. And if you know, Lahaina is a place on the island of Maui, a town on the island of Maui. All right, no leila, let's take a look at the unuhi. The teacher is in Lahaina. Hikino. The teacher is located in Lahaina. Right? That's what we're really talking about, location. Okay, where or when someone or something is. Maikai. Next one. Aya, ke la pā kaukau I ko'olauloa. Okay. Aya. Okay, what are we talking about here? Ke la pā kaukau. Ke la pā kaukau. That pā kaukau. Okay. Where? I ko'olauloa. I ko'olauloa. Maikai. That table is in ko'olauloa. Ko'olauloa is a moku on the island of Oahu. So that table is in the moku, located in the moku of ko'olauloa. Maikai, ho'omau kākou, aya, oia, ma maui. Okay, oia, he, she, or it. Ma maui. All right, ma maui, in, on, or at Maui. Let's see what you came up with. Okay, maikai. He is on Maui. Okay, so in this context, oia is referring to he. It could be she. It depends on what we're talking about or who we're talking about. Aya oia ma Maui. Aya oia ma Maui. He or she is located or on the island of Maui. The island of Maui. Maikai. Next one. Aya oi I ko'olauloa. Aya oi I ko'olauloa. Now, oia, like the previous example, is a papani, a pronoun. Oi, meaning you. Aia oe, where? Where are you? Aia oe I koʻolaulua. You are in koʻolaulua. You are in koʻolaulua. Maikaʻi. Aia ohiva yaya. Aia ohiva yaya. Hiva is on him. Okay? Hiva is on him. Aya ohiva yaya. Oya, the last review sentence is Aya ohulumanu yaoi. Aya ohulumanu yaoi. And in this example and the previous one, we have the ami piko o, which is the okina o that marks the subject, which is a name, right? And iʻoa, hiva is a name, hulumanu is a name. That's why it's capitalized. That's why it takes on the okina o. Aya ohulumanu yaoi. And what do we have here? Hulumanu is on you. Okay? Hulumanu is on you. Oya, mekai e ho'omau kākou. Oya, I keia manawa e nana kākou I nā iʻoa henua. Okay? One thing to remember about the iʻoa henua is that they show a position in time or space of an object. Okay? They show the position of something. No leila e nana kākou I nā iʻoa henua. The first iʻoa henua is the word loko. Loko means inside or in. Okay? E ho'opili mai, loko. Did you say loko? Mai kai. Okay? The next one is waho. Okay? Waho, which is the opposite or the e koa of loko, outside. Okay? Loko, waho, outside. Mai kai. The next one is uka. 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 E ho'opili mai, uka. Okay? Inland, upland, or upslope. Okay? Uka. Mai kai. The next one is kai. Kai. Ho'opili mai, kai. Kai. Mai kai. And kai means seaward, downslope, or shoreward. Yeah, shoreward. Mai kai. The next one is o. O. And o means over there, beyond, or on the far side of something. Okay? So we have loko, waho, uka, kai, and o. Mai kai. Ho'omau. ʻaneʻi. ʻaneʻi. ʻaneʻi means here, this side of. Okay? Here, this side of something. Ho'opili mai, ʻaneʻi. ʻaneʻi. There are two okina in this word. Yep. ʻaneʻi. ʻaneʻi. Maikai. Ho'omau kākou. All right. Ho'omau, luna. Luna. Ho'opili mai, luna. Maikai. Luna means on top, on, above, up, or toward the sky. Luna. Maikai. Lalo, which is the opposite of luna. Lalo. On the bottom, below, under, down, toward the ground. Lalo. Ho'opili mai, lalo. Maikai. Waena. 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 Ho'opili mai, waena. Maikai. Between, among, in the center, or in the middle. Waena. Maikai. Hope. Hope. Ho'opili mai, hope. And hope means behind, after, afterwards, or later. Hope. Maikai. And the final one, mua. Mua. Ho'opili mai, mua. Maikai. And mua means in front or before, okay, which is the opposite of hope. Mua in front before mua. Mua. Maikai. All right. So one of the main things to remember about iʻoa henua is that they are not preceded by a kai. For example, maloko. Maloko. Okay. Ma and e are interchangeable. So we could say iloko too. But in this case, we're going to use maloko. Okay. Maloko. Ho'opili mai maloko. All right. Mai kai. Next one is iwaho. Iwaho. So like I said before, it's interchangeable. So it could be mavaho, ikino. But in this case, we'll use iwaho. E ho'opili mai iwaho. Iwaho. Okay, remember what that means? Maloko was inside, iwaho outside. Okay, something is iwaho, something is maloko. Okay, mauka. Mauka. Okay, something is upland. Right? Mauka. Mauka. Okay. This one is a little bit tricky. We always thought that it's one word, but it's actually two words, as you can see here, ma and uka. But they flow together. There's no okina. Therefore, mauka is the pronunciation with the u being enunciated in the middle. Mauka. Okay. Maikai, ikai, 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 C word. Yeah. Ikai. Maikai, ma'o, ma'o, ma'o. Okay. Something is located ma'o over there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Mekai. And the last one, iʻaneʻi. 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 Here. Yeah. Something's here. Iʻaneʻi. Maikai. All right. So again, the iʻoa henua are preceded by ami. Okay. Ma or e marking the location of something. And then when connected to another word, it's connected by the word o. Okay. We're going to use the word o. So let's take a look at that ikeia manava. Oh yeah, in this example we have maloko, right? We looked at maloko. Now we have connecting to something else. So maloko of something. What is that something? Okapahuhau. Maloko okapahuhau. Maloko kapahuhau. Inside of the refrigerator. Maikai. Okay, see how we're using this? Maloko inside okapahuhau of the refrigerator. The next example, iwaho okaoma. Iwaho okaoma. And that means outside of the oven. Yeah, remember what the word oma means. Iwaho okaoma. Outside of the oven. Maikai ho'omau. Mauka oka upi. Mauka oka upi. Upland of where the sponge is located. Upland of that. Maikai. Ikai. Ikai okipako. Ikai okipako. C word of the table. So something that we're talking about is located seaward of the table. Maikai. Next one is ma'o. Ma'o. Over there. Over there of what? Ma'o okapahi. Ma'o kapahi. Beyond the knife. Beyond the knife. Ma'o kapahi. And the final one, i'aneʻi. I'aneʻi okahau. I'aneʻi okahau. This side of the ice. I'aneʻi okahau. Mai kai. Ho'omau kākou. Maluna. Ho'opili mai. Maluna. Mai kai. Next one is ilalo. Ilalo. Ho'opili mai. Ilalo. A'oia. Mai kai. Next one. Mawaena. 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 Okay. Maika'i. Ihope. Ihope. E ho'opili mai. Ihope. Oia. Okay. And the last one, mamua. Mamua. Ho'opili mai. Mamua. Maika'i. All right. Now let's take a look at the full examples here. Maluna o ka ipuhao. Maluna o ka ipuhao. On top of the pot or on the pot. Okay. Maluna o ka ipuhao on the pot. Maika'i. Ilalo below something. What is it going to be? Ilalo of what? Ilalo o ke o. Ilalo o ke o. Okay. Ilalo o ke o. Below the fork. Something is located below the fork. Maika'i. Mawaena. Mawaena of what? In between of what? Mawaena o nā pā. Mawaena o nā pā. Okay, nā pā, the plates. In between the plates. Something is located between the plates. Okay, maika'i. Ihope. Behind. Behind what? Ihope o ke ki'aha. Ihope o ke ki'aha. Behind the cup. Okay, something is located behind the cup. Okay, maika'i. Last one. Mamua. Mamua. Something is located in front of what? Mamua o ka mikini kope. In front of the mikini kope, which is the coffee machine. Oh yeah, maika'i loa. No leila, i keia manawa, we're going to put these iʻoa henua into our Pepeke Henua. Okay, and to combine them all together to make complete sentences using iʻoa henua, preceded by the iʻoa paku, I or ma or I in this case. And then of course we can connect it to something with the word o. Oh yeah, e nana kako. Oh yeah, maika'i. Aya o ka vika, maloko o ka lumikuke. Okay. Aya, all right. Aya, okay, I get it. O kavika, okay, we're talking about kavika here. Kavika, yeah, I know him. Aya o kavika, where? Where is kavika? Okay, maloko inside of something. What, maloko what? Kalumikuke. Ay, kalumikuke, the place where we cook food or we prepare food. Kalumikuke. Okay. Aya o kavika, maloko kalumikuke. Polole, kavika is in the kitchen. Okay, kavika is located in the kitchen. Hikino, maikai. All right. Aya ke puna waho o ke pā. Okay. Aya ke puna waho o ke pā. So ke puna, there's a bolded K as well as a bold K for in front of puna and pā. Why? Because they are the exceptions to the guideline, the Keao guideline, right? Puna and Pa both take on K and not Ka. Aya ke puna waho o ke Pa. So the puna is located outside of ke Pa. Okay. Oh, I polole. The spoon is outside of the plate. Okay. The spoon is outside of the plate. Maikai. Maikai. If you got that correct, maikai loa. Let's take a look at the next la'ana. Okay. Aya kana papa oki oki I lalo o ke pakokau. Okay. What do we think this is? Okay. Let's identify the thing being talked about. Aya. Okay. Kana papa oki oki. Okay. His papa oki oki. I lalo o. Remember what lalo means, right? I lalo o. Below something. What is it below? What is it under? Ke pakokau. Okay. Ke pakokau. If you got his cutting board is under the table, polole oi mai ka'iloa, his cutting board is under the table. Aya kana papa oki oki I lalo oki pakoko. Mai ka'iloa. Ho'omawaku kaku. Let's take a look at this la'ana, this example. Aya kamikini kope a aloha ma'o o ke kapuahi. Okay? Ma'o o ke kapuahi. No leila aya, kamikini kope, the mikini kope a aloha belonging to aloha or of aloha is located over there. Yeah, beyond ma'o, beyond of what? Ke kapuahi, beyond the kapuahi. Okay. All right. Let's see what the pane is. The haʻina is. Hi. Aloha's coffee machine is beyond the stove. In other words, Aloha's coffee machine is located over there beyond the stove. Okay. Maikai. Next one. Aya ka ipu hao i mua o e pā ya kalehua. Aya. Okay, what are we talking about here? Ka ipu hao. Okay, ka ipu hao, the pot. I mua o, in front of something. I mua of what? Ke pā. Ke pā. Okay, ka pā, the plate. The plate. Ya kalehua. Ya kalehua. Okay, kalehua is a person. Ya kalehua. Let's take a look at the unuhi. The pot in front of the plate is in Kalehua's hands or in her possession. Yeah, in Kalehua's his or her possession. Okay, so the pot in front of the plate is in Kalehua's hands or in his or her possession. Okay, Kalehua's possession. Maikai. All right. Hokai ho. Okay, aya ke kinika mahopeo honalumi kuke. Okay. All right. So we know aya talking about location. Kekinika is the thing that we're trying to locate. Kekinika, the sink. Yeah, kekinika. Where is it? Okay, it's mahopeo, behind of. Behind of what? Kona lumi kuke. All right, kona is his or her. Lumi kuke is a kitchen, right? So aya, kekinika, mahopeo, kona lumi kuke. What did you get? All right. If you got the sink is behind her kitchen, then polole oi, maikai. The sink is behind her kitchen. Aya, kekinika, mahope o konalumi kuke. Maikai loa. Oya maikai. No lele ikeya manava. We're going to look at the English and we're going to translate into Hawaiian. All right. We're going to translate into Hawaiian using what we've learned thus far on the Pepeke Henua, using iʻoa Henua, connected by the word o. So the first one is the ice in the freezer of Mahealani is seaward of the house. Okay. So we know right off the bat, we need to have the word aya. That begins the sentence of Pepeke Henua all the time. Okay. Aya. Then we're going to identify what the thing is that we're talking about. And then where is it located? Aya, kahau, right? The ice, kahau. Where? Makapahu pa'ahau, in the freezer. A Mahealani, belonging to Mahealani. Makai okahale. Makai okahale. Seaward of the house. Yeah, seaward of the house. Makai okahale. Makai, that was a long one, but if you just take it into, break it up into chunks, you can come up with the haʻina, the correct answer. Aya, pahau, makapahu pa'ahau a Mahealani. Why is it a Mahealani? Because the pahuhau is a kino a. A Mahealani makai okahale. Okay, meikai. Ho'omawaku. Her plate with that knife is on the top shelf. oh, kalame, is on top of the shelf. Her plate with that knife is on top of the shelf. Okay, let's take a look at the haʻawina. Aya, kana pa, right? Her plate. Me ke nā pahi with that knife. I luna o on top of ka haka, the shelf. Okay, maikai. Aya kana pa me ke nā pahi I luna o ka haka. Okay, e hoʻopili mai. Aya kana pa me ke nā pahi I luna o ka haka. Oh yeah, maikai. Last one. The sponge is this side of the sink. Okay. The sponge is located this side of the sink. All right. Aya, ka upi. Oh, in this case is ma ʻaneʻi. We can use ma. I and ma are interchangeable. Aya ka upi ma ʻaneʻi o ke kinika. Okay. Hoʻopili mai. Aya ka upi ma ʻaneʻi o ke kinika. Maikai. Oh, yeah. O ia wali no ka haʻawina o keia pule, mahalo nui ia ʻoukou, ka ʻoukou hana nui e nā makua. E hoʻomau aku no ʻoukou, ea hoʻomau, keep studying, keep practicing. Check on Niulehiki for the videos that you can rewatch again whenever you need to. Review the haʻawina with your kumu and with your fellow ohana. And hoʻomaʻamaʻa. Yeah, keep practicing. And that's how we get better at learning the language, using the language, speaking the language every day as much as we can. Oia, mahalo nui ke hui ana, ai ka waku pono, a hui ho aku. The production of this podcast was supported by grant number 90NB0038-02-00 from ACF. Its content is solely the responsibility of Aha Punana Leo Incorporated and does not necessarily represent the official views of ACF.